wait.
मेरी तारीफ करनी है
दिविशा कॉल कर दिया
next you are next. Oh, menus are getting recorded. Hi, I'm here with Ajay. We just recently did a branding project for him. He's the owner of the brand, and would love to take your feedback. आपका कैसा experience था with us, working with us?
आपके साथ काफ़ी बढ़िया था। मतलब आपने वो चीज़ दे दी जो मेरे को चाहिए था। काफ़ी बढ़िया तरीके से आपने डिज़ाइन किया। मेरे को मिनिमल बट डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक लोगो चाहिए था, और प्लस ये थोड़ा मेरे को लग रहा था डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा, वैसा ना हो कि बस एक फ़ॉन्ट रह जाए, बट ये काफ़ी बढ़िया बन गया। मतलब जैसा मैं चाहता था बिल्कुल वैसा।
And हम सबसे पहले partners थे, and this was I was probably the first vendor जो आपने final किया था शायद after the consultants. तो
कंसल्टेंट एंड आर्किटेक्ट, उसके बाद आप थे तो हाँ बिल्कुल।
The entire experience like it has been really good. Like the way we started and the way we designed few things, we disagreed on that, but the way you have actually taken it and changed the entire branding part was commendable. Me and my wife are actually very thankful. Secondly, the entire branding is really good. It's so welcoming. The way we wanted it, it is exactly, and it resonates with the entire ideology behind this color. And I'm more than proud to say that she did a great job, and being a very good friend, and being a really good at what she does is this branding blog. We are more than thankful for this project, and absolutely looking for new ones.
yes.
Sirocco started with just a space and the idea. Everything we build here is step by step only. From the logo, from the name, the identity, and coordinating with the vendors. And you can also add the manpower, how table should look like, what we need to keep on table, and everything. So for me, Sirocco is not just a restaurant; it's a feeling. And every small detail here is part of the journey, from nothing to something. Yeah. So this is what Sirocco is. Experience the art, experience the simplicity here, and the greenery, and people like you and me.
It's been like a year, I think.
Almost.
So,
It's
almost a year. Started with like a plot.
It was a blank space, it was a blank canvas, and I'm more than happy that we did a great job, and sitting together, like even she was in Singapore, we had discussions over what we exactly want, and being so far away, still she could resonate with the entire ideology of me and Prachi, and she actually replicated it to the best possible way. And it was like at the very first take we liked it. It was like the first thing, like even before, like even the previous designing, that was also bang on. It was like we opened the page and we were like, wow. And though like there were like the Ajay was not agreeing to it, we wanted minimal.
I want to build a story around that also, and release that logo as well that we never got to like work on.
But then yes, like it was also a very good logo for Italian and Mexican. It resonated the entire team. But then again, this is also something which is we never knew this will click much better. That I guess that is for a different space altogether. And this is for this space that it belongs here. Right. So this very much belongs here. And I'm more than proud to say that Prachi and Divisha, they both did an amazing job in presenting the colors, because this sage green color was always a thing for me. From the day one, I wanted something in this color palette, and they actually nailed it.
Yes,
So, yes.
absolutely.
I saw somebody talking about the color here. They're saying the green color going with this brown color, it looks superb. Something not extraordinary, but something which is not usual. Yeah. But it gives very, it gives the peace inside. कि बहुत सुंदर सा, खूबसूरत सा.
And when there was nothing, there was sage green.
Sage green, yeah.
हमेशा से था.
This particular color. ये जब हम identity build कर रहे थे, I think this was the color. That's all we know.
Yeah, that's all.
उसके बाद हर चीज बनाई है.
This
color was something जो starting से हमारे साथ था.
एक लोगो पहले था, but
a very serious name. And then I still remember I was watching a movie. I was in the theater. And मेरी अजय से चैट पे बात हो रही थी. He shows love for his dog, but he was very skeptical कि भाई हम कैसे ये नाम तो नहीं रख सकते वरना कॉफी वाला सीन हो जाएगा. तो फिर मैंने कहा एस हटा के Sirocco सी करके देखते हैं. तो he put co actually, not me. I just gave this name Siro. So he said हाँ वो उस नेम से तो काफी cool लग रहा है. But again he said नहीं ऐसा तो कॉफी हाउस लगेगा. मैंने कहा just try. Then he talked to it, and then you bring this C. Then you gave this identity, and everybody loved the font also. The font is also very good. अभी जो menu दिख रहा था वो font की वजह से और अच्छा लगा.
Enhance.
This is the beauty.
But what do you think about the whole logo and the branding?
Beautiful. Again, हमारा जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सिंपल है बट एलिगेंट है. सिमिलरली हमारा लोगो ऐसे काफी सिंपल लग रहा है,
Yeah.
बट देन उसमें भी एक क्लास है, अपनी एक स्टाइल है जो हमारे डॉग वाइब्स के साथ, हमारे क्विजीन के साथ बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. हमने इस लोगो के अराउंड अपनी सारी चीजें इमेजिन करें, अपना क्विजीन, अपनी आर्ट जो हम अभी टेबल पे दे रहे हैं,
Yeah.
जो भी है, चाहे ये पीछे का पर्दा भी क्यों ना लगा हो,
Yeah.
ये इस लोगो के बाद और इस कलर के बाद डिसाइड हुआ.
Yes, that's
It's a
true.
beautiful journey. I hope we can work together again.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. we were just sitting here और हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि oh this might be a rented thing या कुछ, और I'm like भाई ये स्क्रैच से बना है, ये प्लॉट था सिर्फ, और अब इस मतलब ये turning this around, hats off. मतलब मैं तो obviously I went out for a bit and then I was not a part wholesomely in the project, but आपने बहुत lead लेकर ये complete कराया, and I'm so happy that you're finally launching.
और लकीली आप उसी
और
टाइम
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
लॉन्च के टाइम आप यहाँ पे हैं.
Yes.
और प्लस अभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, जैसे कुछ जो कस्टमर्स आए वो लोग लोगों को लेके काफ़ी तारीफ कर रहे हैं कि काफ़ी बढ़िया है ये, तो मेरे को सुन के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि यार सही में काफ़ी बढ़िया डिज़ाइन है.
But how was your experience with working with me when I was in Singapore?
काफ़ी बढ़िया था. आपके साथ मैंने काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फील किया. आपने चीज़ें मेरी अच्छे से समझी और मतलब मेरे को पता है, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं था, तो आपने मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंजेस कर लिए, तो ये भी मेरे को अच्छा लगा काफ़ी.
Thank you so
बार बार
much.
जो आपने डिज़ाइंस चेंज कर लिए.
वो तो फिर डिजाइनर जो वहाँ खड़ी है उनको बोलना पड़ेगा, पर
थैंक यू आपको भी.
फॉर द टीम, इट्स ऑल द टीम यार. हम तो सिर्फ स्ट्रेटेजाइज कर देते ऊपर ऊपर से, सारा एक्चुअल वर्क हैपेंस
बिल्कुल,
इन द
हाँ.
बैक एंड.
बिल्कुल, मेरे को आपकी टीम भी काफ़ी बढ़िया लगी.
नाइस, बट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस
Thank
अजय.
you,
बहुत
thank you.
बहुत खुश है हम. आफ्टर अ ईयर ऑफ हार्ड वर्क वी आर फाइनली हियर एंड इट्स लॉन्चिंग टुडे. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.